Today I'm doing an unboxing. I have a shipment coming and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys. I just got my shipment from CreeksideKid Etsy Shop. I cannot wait to open it up and show you guys what is inside. These are 25x7 2-ply girl print reusable cloth wipes. Use the cloth wipes as you would regular wipes. After use, we recommend that the wipes be placed in either a bucket or wet bag with laundry detergent and water as a pre-soak. Launder dirty wipes by themselves or with cloth diapers as often as needed using hot water with your favorite detergent. For an absolutely eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to the dryer, hang them on your clothesline to dry. Their colors and patterns are so beautiful. CreeksideKid Etsy Shop did an outstanding job. They have protective packaging, they have fast shipping, they have amazing customer service, and they have beautiful high quality products for sale. Definitely check them out. I put their link in the description below, and stay tuned because after this is a slideshow of some of the items they have for sale in their Etsy shop.